Yes, hello. Hello. Yeah, welcome. It's another Wednesday. As you know, we always do live trading on Wednesdays. Yeah, so we're going straight to EurUSD and we are going to see if we have an opportunity to trade internal range liquidity. Yes, I'll be trading a very small account, just about 8 pounds. We want to see how much we can grow this account. Yeah, we'll try to employ proper risk management. Yes. So let's see how it goes. Okay, so I'll start my analysis shortly. Yes. So normally I start by denoting my timings, which is 7 a.m. New York time to 10 p.m. So sorry, to 10 a.m. New York time. If you follow smart money concept, that's the time when setups usually happen. So because I'm just looking to trade internal range liquidity, I'm just trying to see what's happening first of all on the 15 minutes time frame. And for this, I'm looking at a specific time. You may not be able to see it properly, but these lines, there are black lines that are a bit faint. So those lines denote the specific time I'm looking at. Yes. So I'm looking for price to take out a 15-minute swing high at 1:30 UK time, which is 8:30 US time. Okay. So I'm looking at my 15-minute chart. I'll switch back to 1 hour so I can see what's going on. The range looks good. So what I need to do on the 15 minutes, I'm looking for swing lows and swing highs. So this is the swing low. This is the swing low. The swing low is where two candles are on the opposite of the order, and you have like a wick like this. That's a swing low. So that's a 15-minute swing low. And let me see, I can see a very clear 15-minute swing high. I think I see around here. This is not really a swing high. I think I see one here. So that's the first thing I look at. Here, I can see the swing high there. And I'm looking, let me check if my swing low is to the correct place, yeah? Okay, yes, I have a swing high. And then I look at the range. The swing high may come here. I need to be cautious with that. Okay, yeah, it's above 20 pips. So I can even trade within this range in case this swing high comes. within this area, and we had such a huge range. We had news events that triggered price to go very high the other day, and then price has retraced. Let me show you what I mean. On the 1 hour time frame, yeah, you can see this was news events. So price has come back to killing this gap. So this is the first thing I'm looking at before I start my order analysis. I'm also looking for patterns, to see if there are patterns. Let me see, was this a pattern? Oh, this is a kind of pattern, a continuation pattern for shorts. Yeah, and price is broken out. Okay, let me see this. We may actually have a continuation if this pattern continues to hold. So I'll see here, we may, if price continues downwards, then we may have a pattern here. Okay, so let's see if that happens. So we may be short biased on the 1 hour. However, since we're looking for internal range liquidity on the 15 minutes, we have specific signatures we're looking for in price. I'm just looking to trade within this range if this actually happens to be a swing high. Then I quickly go to the daily time frame as well to identify daily highs and daily lows. So the daily low has been taken out, and this is the daily high, so I won't really be looking at that anymore. Okay, yes, let me see if I can see a 4-hour high or 4-hour low. And all of them seem to be taken out here. 1 hour. Okay, seem to have been taken out. So I'll be looking at the 15 minutes in particular now. We seem to be at a 4-hour support and resistance zone. This color orange is what I denote as my 4-hour levels. Let me see. Let me quickly have a look at what's going on the higher time frame. Okay, this is a weekly level. I'll quickly go to the 1 week to see what's going on. The price is consolidating on the weekly. Price has been in a very serious consolidation for so many weeks. I'll look at the monthly to see what's going on. We still have like the double bottom pattern, and we expect price to continue upwards. Generally speaking, this is the target we're looking at. Sorry, my chart is a bit hazy. Okay, so we go back quickly to the 15 minute. You can comment to let me know you're here, and add a comment just in case you're here. Okay, So I'm looking closely to see how the 15-minute closes. It seems as though we may have a swing high over here. I'm looking closely at that as well. I think I'll prepare for that. So we're looking for swing highs and swing lows that formed before 8:30 a.m. US time. That's what we're looking for, which is 1:30 p.m. UK time. Yeah, I think the swing high seems to want to form. So I'll be bringing this down. Just in case this swing high holds. Let's see if it up. Assuming price actually goes up and decides to come down. So what I'll do is set my alerts in this zone and let me know so I don't miss out, just in case price strong this way. So I'll be looking to take trades on the 1 minute, and the 2 minute, 4 minutes, and 5 minute time frame, depending on where I see the setup properly. I'll be monitoring all those time frames. I'm using other screens, including my phone, to watch all those time frames. So I've set my alerts. Yes. So let's see how it goes. I think in the meantime, I'm just analyze other peers or analyzing EurUSD proper again, just to see on the higher time frame perspective if we have, or of course, we've seen that we most likely might go short. So that's a very huge possibility. So there are ways that I might seek to go short. Let me see the 1 hour time frame. Let me see what's happening there. So we certainly at a 4-hour support resistance zone. If this activates, then price may continue to fail. So I could use smart money OTE for it because it seems to be in a trend. I'll adjust this. Okay, so yeah, I'm looking at the 4-hour resistance to see if there's any other major 4-hour support and resistance. I can't really see anything per se. Okay, yeah, I think I see something. So I need to draw this line just in case. I see something in this area. I see something in this area. So this is how you draw your support and resistance based on where price tapped, reversed, it broke it. You know, it came here, struggled in the area. You can see, came here, struggled a bit, broke, came here, became this broke it, became support and continued. So this could potentially be a 4-hour support and resistance zone. So I think I would mark this. But it's not too much of a very strong zone though. Yeah. I'll just mark it just to take notes. I change this back to candles. Let's see what's going on. Oh yeah, look at the target. The target goes directly to the zone. So I think we may be in for shorts. So we might actually try to take position for shorts. Let me see what's happening on the 15-minute time frame again. And then let's see the way the candles are forming. Looking for confirmations in case we want to go short. Price may want to retrace back this way, or it may just continue. If it continues, I might use the 5-minute OTE. Let's write it down. 5-minute OTE for shorts. Or other entry strategy. Okay, let's see what price does. Please. So I'm watching closely if price wants to continue or retrace. We had on the 1-hour time frame, we had a confirmation, but price decided to go this way. Sorry, we have a bearish engulfing here at this support and resistance zone, but price seems to be going higher. So I just keep switching 2 different time frames. EurUSD. I'm working on another chart. Okay. So price seems to be racing upwards right now towards the upper side of the 15-minute swing high. So we're watching closely to see what happens. Yeah, so let me switch again. I'm just doing some analysis as well. I want to see what's happening. I'm looking for a different kind of trading. So yeah, so from what I see on my indicators, I can see we seem to have a divergence on the 1 hour. So we may have a counter trend trade. Very possible. This is another style of trading, by the way. This is totally different. We might have a counter trend trade. Don't worry about all my lines. Don't worry about all my lines. It might look confusing because I'm creating many lines, but do not worry. So I'm looking at my indicator. The awesome oscillator is indicating to me that when we have divergence, the price may want to shoot up and come back to this area. It's very possible. So yeah, let me remove this for the moment and put it here. But it won't be too much. Okay, so from this support, power support and resistance, there's a different style of trading which I do. I want to see an initial break buy when two candles overcome this bearish candle. So if it closes a little bit higher and breaks what I call supply, that should be in this area. So I would look for a retracement and a confirmation of lower time frame to see price again higher. So that we may do, but I'm conscious because we may actually be in for sales. So that will be a counter trend trade. The only worry I have is my RSI is not also showing me. It's not showing me divergence. But normally I'll work more with the awesome oscillator. So I have two opposing two styles which I'm looking to trade. I want to see price break supply over here. This is the 1 hour supply. So I have different setups for different styles of trading. You know, sometimes it's good to be versatile so that you can take advantage in case one setup does not work. You know, you have different toolkits. So we have 4 minutes, about 5 minutes left for the 1 hour candle to close. So I want to see price break this supply. When I mean supply, I'm actually really looking at this place. That is what I'm looking at. I want to see price break. I want to see price break this. I know this may be confusing to so many people watching. So now I'm looking at 2 things. I'm looking at selling some oversold conditions, retracement back upwards, and I'm also looking at a possible continuation to fulfill this rising flag pattern downwards to this area. So we will see what happens eventually. Well, the price is in oversold conditions, and then I have my divergence on the awesome oscillator. I believe we may take a breather to go up, but let's see. So I'm looking at two particular setups, like I said, the internal range liquidity, and also on the 15 minutes, and support and resistance plus confirmations for a retracement. So let me see again. I'm just doing a lot of analysis as price is going. So price broke my 1 hour demand zone here. Price actually broke it with this bearish candle. Price actually broke it. So yes, I think we may be going for sales. But let me see it from the 4-hour perspective. Yeah, we have the 4-hour. Yes. No, price has not broken it from the 4-hour perspective. Price is not broken from the 4-hour perspective. I'm looking at this place, and we also have this place here. It's a bit complicated, but on the 1 hour, it's already indicating to me that price may want to go down. So let's see what happens. So I'm still looking at the internal range liquidity, like I said. I want to see price go a bit above here, then I enter in for sales. So the only problem I have is a place to take profit, because there's practically no fair value gap anywhere. So I might not go in for a full kill. I might just, if I see 1:2, I may be out. I don't want any surprises, But this is a very powerful method that on the 1 minute with the 5-minute time frame that can give you 1:5. I've even seen 1:10 in such a short range, Yeah, so all we can do is wait. I would like to see again quickly on the daily time frame what price is doing. Oh yeah, we have another block here, which price is not broken through. So unless price breaks through, we know we are going short. Otherwise, price can also reverse and continue upwards in this area. So there are many possibilities we're looking at. Then it's a game of patience. You really have to be patient. And when things start happening, they happen so fast. That's another thing. Okay, while we wait. Oh yeah, I have one more minute for the 1 hour close. Let me see what's happening in the 1 hour. Oh, so I do not have a break of. Oh, it's closed here. You can see price whipped out and came back in. So price has not broken this. So I still remain bearish for now. I remain bearish. So let me see what price is telling me on the 5-minute time frame. Do I have an optimal trade entry setup that might form? If that happens, I would like to see displacement or a sharp move from price, goes down, comes in again, and I take the trade. Otherwise, price may retrace, give me something and the same style and come down. So these are assumptions we keep looking at. They are all different assumptions which we have to look at to form a trade idea. All right, so I'm done analyzing EurUSD. I'll switch quickly to, let me see what's happening with gold. I'll quickly look at the monthly time frame. In gold, let's see what's happening on the monthly time frame. The price has been holding, it's been in consolidation. Let me clean this. It's been in consolidation or accumulation for several months now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 months. It's still pointing higher. Okay, so I'll see on the weekly time frame. Yeah, each week price has been moving higher. So no, this is not this. Yeah, this is 1 week. The price has been in very serious consolidation. Look at this. Very low. Let's see the moving averages to tell us prices are. I use my 15 moving average to hold price tightly. It shows a very, very strong trend, as you can see. You can see price has been above the 15, and the 30 as well. I also use the 50 as well, but let's leave that out. So on the weekly, price has been on a very strong trend. And then let's go to the daily. The price has been consolidating for so many days on end. In fact, since April, price has been consolidating on the daily, no direction to go. Let's see on the 4-hour. Now I'll be looking closely at my support and resistance zones. Okay, I see that we're in a resistance zone. Do I see any pattern? I do not see a pattern here. Let me see. Well, it looks like, but I'm not convinced. So if this happens, price should drop back down. I'm not convinced. Someone has to be really careful with gold there. And on the 1 hour, like I said, look at this. See how price came out of this pattern. I won't really be biased towards using a pattern here. Let me see the adjustments. Nope. So on the 1 hour, you could effectively use support and resistance to trade, really. So price got here in this resistance zone. And could we have a confirmation? No. Okay, well, I'm not seeing anything on gold right now. So I'll switch quickly to another tier. Let's see what's happening on Bitcoin quickly. Oh, my chart is really, really rough on Bitcoin. I'll clean it up. Bitcoin has been trending higher on the monthly, as you can see. Let's also put our 15 and 30 moving averages, you see how strong it is above the 15. This has been for years anyway. So let's just as you can see, since 2023, Bitcoin has been going higher. On the weekly, let's see what's happening on the weekly. Meanwhile, I'm still monitoring the EurUSD trade with other charts. So just give me a minute. Sorry, I'm just setting my chat on my older devices so that I don't miss anything. And the EurUSD trade weekly monitoring. All right. Yeah, so on the weekly, we cannot see. Okay, price. Do we have a brief? We have a kind of double top. So if this candle closes below this place, if we have a border close, then price may want to come down this way. So that's what I'm seeing on the weekly time frame. But until the week finishes, before we can be sure of that. Okay, now I think I'll switch to my EurUSD. My alert has alerted me that we have reached the area which I'm monitoring price. So I'm switching back to the 15-minute time frame. Now I'll remove this first, just to make our chart cleaner. So now I want to see. Now I'll switch screen. Yeah, I don't know if you can see my screen. Oh no, let me switch it to this. Yeah, so this is the 2 minutes and the 1 minute. I want to see price go above the 15 minutes, the former 15-minute level. Need to adjust it. The price is done slightly above it. Okay. So I'll look to see a break of swing lows. I'm also monitoring the 3 minutes and the 4 minute chart somewhere else, including the 5 minutes. So let's see if there's a potential setup. I'll check my range again. Is there above 20 pips? Yes, it's above. So if this happens and we have an opportunity, I could take profit here or take profit somewhere here. But let's see if the setup actually plays out. So we're waiting, hands on the trigger, because this is on the 1 minute time frame. I'm looking to see what happens in the 1 minute time frame. So now I'm going to delete this alert below. That's this one. Okay, so I'm looking for a breach of swing lows. But I would like the swing low on the 1 minute to happen within this range. If it doesn't happen within this range, I'm suspect of the setup. I may not take it. A swing low is when you have two candles, like this is a swing low. This one, when you have two candles above one candle, that's what you call a swing low. Don't worry, you'll see it live as we trade. So the beauty of trading is it gives you location freedom. You can trade from anywhere. You don't have to be in an office. I'm just here chilling somewhere in town at a coffee shop, and I'm trading live. You can imagine that. I remember when we used to get in Dubai, Nigeria, you have to show up in the office every day. For trading, you can work from your home, anywhere you are in the world, from a coffee shop as I'm doing, or even on the plane, you can trade. That's the beauty of freedom. I don't think there's anything that gives that kind of freedom and joy. If you know what you're doing, if you don't know what you're doing, trust me, it can be a painful experience. And everybody passes through pain before you get good. Even I continue to refine my strategies every time. It's not easy, but it's worth it. Can pay you more than any job you can think of. Okay, I'm watching the 1 minute and the 2 minutes. I also have the 3 minutes and 4 minutes, including the 5 minute charts open somewhere else. I have tabs, a tab and a phone which I'm using. I want to see if a swing low comes somewhere. If the fixed swing low does not form the way I expect, then the trade idea is invalidated. Okay, price is not forming a swing low yet. I'm particularly looking at the 1 minute chart. Yeah, to look for swing lows, but you can look for swing lows everywhere as well. There's the 2 minute chart, the one to the left and the one to the right. You can see 2 minutes. If I click on this, it's highlighted, and that is the 1 minute. So I split my screen to have this function on TradingView. I'll split it into 4, into 8, into 3, into 2, as you like, depending on what you pay for. So what I've done is I'm using 3 screens, but I'm looking at 6 time frames. Because I split up into. Still no swing low for me. Not on the 1 minute or the 2 minute chart. Remember I said the swing low is something like this. 2 candles to the left. So one to the left, one to the right, and this in the middle. That's a swing low. I've not seen a swing low yet. And this is a swing high. This is a swing high. You can see 2 candles on opposite sides. The price is really coming down fast, and yet we have no swing low. I don't like to see this. I like to see a swing low before price turns back into range. So maybe we will not have the opportunity to trade this style today. It's pure algorithmic trading. It's not support and resistance. It's not any retail trading concept. There's an ICT concept. Smart money. Okay, while I'm doing that, I need to be conscious, because what normally happens is that price may be forming something else, on the higher time frame. I need to see what's happening. I mean, for a different opportunity or a different setup. So I'm watching this one. I'm watching the 1 hour time frame to see what is going on. I'll be prepared to see a continuation shot. On the higher time frame, I mean. Okay, I'll send the first swing low one. This is the swing low. It's not a convincing break, but let's see whether it holds. And then what I need to do is go to the 2 minutes. screen. I'll be sharing this tab here. 15 minutes. I want to see where this count is. That this count is on the feed. The Bonatti tool. It's around the 50 area, 0.5. That's this time. That's price retracing. At least I will want to hold price. If this setup holds, I will want to hold price to this point at least. Although I see something there below the 50. But there is no screen. Is there? There is no fair value gap. That's why I'm not switching on this page. And this setup happened. So let's go back. And until the string low breaks before we can actually use this tool. So let's see what's happening on the 1 minute time frame. The price breaks convincingly. I think okay. I think let me see. Let me denote just in case my distant error. Because price can reverse upward from here. Okay. So I've denoted my distance area. And I go back to the 1 minute time frame. This is where I want to see price get to at least, or maybe take out those lows, which I saw on the 1 hour as well, or on the 15 minutes here. Well, that's if price breaks this, gives me a fair value gap. It's just that I don't really like the price is so extended. So we watch and wait. I'm also looking at the 5 minutes and the 3 minutes. I'm not saying anything so far. Many times when you're waiting like this is so boring. But once price starts moving, it's moving very fast. If there's not taking, you don't even have an opportunity to enter. watching. If you're here, let me know. You can type in the chat box just to let me know of your presence. You can also let me know where you're watching from. I'm in London. And let me know where you're watching from in the chat box. If this string low applies, price will just be too close to this thing. I'm trying to see my whole price could even come here, who knows? But I don't like it when price is too low. I would have prepared it this string low occurred around there, and then price goes down. That's what I would have prepared. So that would have given us a good range to take profit. Yeah, I think I see a new swing low form. I'll push my line upward to the next new swing low. So you can see two candles. One is on the left and one is on the right. That's the swing low. So I want to see momentum. A large candle like this, break this, then I can trade back into it if the opportunity presents. If not, we can't do anything. Okay, the swing low is violated, but you need to watch this carefully. Is there momentum, and how does this candle close? Okay, there seems to be momentum. Is it going to close below? These are questions which we'll ask. Yeah, let's see. It seems to. Whoa, it's a very large Yeah, there's lots of momentum with this candle. So now, how does it close? I think I need to start to find an idea. With price retrace, so I have a fair value gap here. Now I have to see, oh, the range is just too small. Oh, I don't like it. I don't like it at all, honestly. The range is just so small. I put my stop loss here, 3.9 pips for my stop loss. 3.9 pips here. 3.9, let me see. 3.9. I'm trying to 3.9. Okay. We'll price retrace back into the fair value gap. No, this is not. I don't really like it. I don't like it sold. They only have 0.98. The risk reward is very low, honestly. Till we get to discount, the risk reward is low. Let me see what's happening on the 1 hour quickly. Okay. The price has retraced into the fair value gap. .6. Let me see. Adjusting. I think I'll take the trade. 0.6, 0.26, 0.26. Okay, so I've taken the trade already. I'm trading on a very small account. Okay, so I have my stop loss here. And price to hit. If I'm going to be stopped out, it will be very fast and no problems. So if price goes down from around this area, I may get a risk to reward ratio, which is not bad. Let's see what happens. Okay. So I'm adjusting. I'll show my screen later. 1.15943. Yeah, I'm just setting my trades on MetaTrader 5. I prefer to see price fall, at least to this place. I could actually hold price down this way, and that will give me a 1:3 reward ratio. Let's see. I don't want to see price go up. If price goes above this handle, that's where my stop loss is, as you can see. I want to see price take out the swing low. So we follow the rules. If the trade does not go in our way, no problems. At least we know we followed our rules. That's the most important thing. As long as you continue to follow your rules, you have a higher chance of making profit. Okay, price is going the way we want for now. Yeah, keep dropping. As you can see, price is dropping. It wants to drop to distance, hopefully. And what does that mean? That means we'll be in profit. Yeah. It's moving fast. I hope it doesn't take out the swing low and reverse. Yeah, price is going exactly the way we want. We're almost at. We're almost at. Yeah, price has hit. Price has hit the 50%. Now we don't know if price might. I'll take out some positions. We don't know if price. So this is a win. This is a win. This is a win. We've gotten to 50%. But we don't know if price might want to continue downwards. You see how fast this trade was. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Just 10 minutes. And we've been waiting for so long for it. So yeah, let's see if price would give us more range here. So I took out some positions earlier. I want to see if price will clear this swing low. It seems to want to. You can see 1:3 risk to reward ratios conveniently. Where are we now? 1:2.71. Let me put it here. Yeah, price can reverse anyway from here. But I want to see if price would actually play this. This is a sweet trade, very sweet. It's a very sweet trade. This is internal range liquidity. Okay, I'm closing all my positions. I've closed all my positions. Because my account is small, it couldn't give me enough capacity to take the lot size that was required. Otherwise, I should have made three times my account. You see how price is perfectly coming to attack this. And even if it reverses from here, no problem, we hit our objective. So we close around this place, 2.75. Sweet trade, sweet trade, sweet trade, sweet trade. Sweet trade. I really love the style of trading, it's very powerful. All right, so with this, we are done. We are basically done trading. We are done trading for today, you know? Except you want to look at other opportunities. You can use this model only as a model for all your trading, and you'll be hugely successful. It's just amazing, amazing, amazing. Yeah, so we're done trading for today. I'll just show you the small account which I traded quickly. I think I'm going to switch up to show you the profit. Because I could not get a huge lot size, I was supposed to open, I think, 2 points. Let's see. Yes, I tried to reach 30% of my account because this is a very powerful trade. Normally, you shouldn't do that, bro. It's because my account is so small. So, but it didn't allow me open this lot size. I'll show this. Let me share this. So this is my calculator. I tried to, this is my account size, 16 pounds. I reached 30%. My stop loss was 2.6 pips, you know, and so I was going to be risking £4.97. And my size and my lot size was supposed to be 0.26. However, because it's such a huge lot size, it wouldn't allow me open that. So I ended up opening the margin on my tools several times. Now I'm going to show that just before I close this trading. Let me see. Okay, let's see if I can get that. Yeah, let me see if I can share my message to the file. Oh yeah, there we go. Oh yeah, so you can see the profits. You can see the profits. You can see the profits. So I couldn't open 0.26. So what I did was I quickly opened the maximum I could, 0.05, 0.05. You see where I entered the trade and where I exited. This is where I entered, this area, and this is where I exited. I ended up exiting in this area. So I made £4.87, and after charges, £4.39. So if you look at that in terms of percentage wise, divided by 16, £4. I'm trying to look at the percentage profit. So if we look at our account, let's see our account balance. Okay, from £16 it has increased to 21. So if we look at the percentage increase, just a minute. The percentage increase here, that's £4 plus £4. Let me see, just a minute. I'll go to history. £4.49. £4.49 divided by what did we start with today? We started with 16.58. So we had 27% increase, 27% march in one trade. So I'm happy about that. We'll continue to grow the account slowly, so as much as we can. Yeah, this was a perfect trade. Now you can see price is going back up. See, you can imagine. You can see how price is going up. That's why you take the profit quickly and you get out. These mathematicians won't want you to win. You have to be smart and fast, you know. Yeah, I think it's clearer like this. Yeah, so we entered here, exited here, price came this way, and imagine price has gone back. Price can continue upward if it likes in here. So I'll show you that on the charts as well quickly just before we close. So sometimes trading can be fast. So imagine anybody who held to this point made 2.83, but we closed for about 1:2. Risk to reward ratio. We closed for about 1:2. Let me share my screen again, so you see what I'm talking about. I need to share my screen to see what we're talking about. Oh, sorry. I hope I didn't share the wrong screen. Just a minute, please. Just a minute. Yeah, okay, I think I shared the right MetaTrader, yeah. Okay, so now let me share my trading view screen. Okay, yeah, let me share my trading view screen. This was a beautiful, beautiful, beautiful trade. Beautiful. Anyone with a large account, imagine if you had $100,000 or pounds, £200,000, and you just risked about 1% or 2%, which would be about 1% of 200,000 is not 2,000, right? So, and you went for a 1:2 risk reward in 10 minutes, you've made £4,000. That's the beauty of trading. It's about risk management, trade management, See what's happening now. You can see what's happening. Price has reversed. Price has reversed and gone into our stop loss area. You see, we entered here and we came out here quickly. 1:2.3. Risk to reward ratio. You see, if anybody who keeps holding is in big trouble. They need to know when to enter and when to exit. So that's why I denoted this area as my discount line. As soon as we got to discount, I got out of the trade. You want to be conservative. You want to ensure you manage risk properly. Take low hanging fruits. Don't be greedy. The market works with greed and fear. Some people would have been saying, let me wait till price takes out the swing low. Now, look at it. They are trying. Premium fears. If you don't want to try, take what the market gives you and get out. So we are done for today. You can see how price has reversed and even beat stop loss. So that's the power of internal range liquidity, this style of trading. Imagine how many pips was this? Let's see. Just 5.6 pips. Astonishing. 5.6 pips gave us 2.3 risk to reward ratio. And we only reached 2.4 pips. Yeah. So don't let anybody fool you. There are different styles of trading that are powerful. It's either you keep doubting or you try and see for yourself. I believe in always testing, trying, backtest. Test a lot. Spend hours, backtest, and see whether this smart money concept really work. It's like magic, but they work. Because these are signatures in the algorithm. This makes no sense at all. It's not supply and demand. It's not a price being affected by supply and demand. This is algorithmic trading. Imagine price has reversed all the way back. But we are out of the market. Yeah. All right. Congratulations. Profit is profit, no matter how small or large the amount is. We celebrate it. Yeah. All right. See you next Wednesday. Bye.